Well, it might look difficult to manage workout without a gym, but skipping rope is one of the super convenient, easy and effective home exercise. Skipping is a great cardio aerobic exercise. Skipping rope helps you tone your calves, tighten your core, build your stamina, and improve lungs capacity. Skipping rope alone won't help you to reduce weight loss. Skipping rope can be a part of a diet and exercise routine which boosts your metabolism. Surprisingly, skipping rope can burn 10 calories in a 10 minutes and also strengthen your legs, butts, shoulders, belly, and arms. On average, you can burn 200 calories in the 10-minute session of each day. Skipping rope is the best cardio exercise as it increases the heart rate. This will significantly reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Every cardio exercise will help you to focus on your goal, and skipping is one of them. Skipping rope can calm your body and increases your concentration as well. Doing skipping consistently will improve your coordination and stamina. This thing is proven by the studies. By the continuous work, you may feel tired or loss of stamina. Skipping can help you to improve your stamina. The more you do skipping regularly, the more your stamina increases. Skipping rope make your body calm and flexible. Jumping gives you great strength to the muscles and relax them. Skipping rope in a moderate intensity can reduce the anxiety and depression in your body and relax them. It is one of the main obstacles while losing your weight, but skipping rope can help you with that as well. Skipping rope will give the strength to your bones and increase your bone density. Post-workout glow is one of the best glow you can get. Exercises like skipping will always give a healthy blushing and a glowing skin. Skipping rope will improve your blood circulation and breathing, which ultimately enhances your lung capacity as well. At last, we healthy hacks promise you that you will get all these benefits by doing skipping every day as long as you can do.